In this video, I'll be going over practice test number 6, no calculator section question 7. So let's get started. So this will be a manipulating expressions question because you're just moving around variables and just isolating variables. So yeah, I'm going to read the question. A bricklayer uses the formula N equals 7LH to estimate the number of bricks N needed to build a wall that is L feet long and H feet high. Which of the following correctly expresses L in terms of N and H? So the very key question in this question is this part. And to be very honest with you, the other information is really unnecessary. And as you practice for the math, SAT math, you'll start to be able to classify these, like know if this question is a manipulating expressions question, and that will make it much easier. But whenever you see something in terms of something, it means just tell us L using N and H, which means we need to show L. We need to isolate L. And right now, L is right here. So we want to move 7 and H to the other side. But you need to know how to do that. So do this very carefully because they're all letters and you might get mixed up. So first of all, 7LH, these are all multiplied together, right? So whenever you want to move a variable to the other side, you must like divide both sides by H, divide both sides by 7, and that's what we're going to do. So firstly, we're going to divide both sides by 7, and if we do that, let me show you how it's going to look like. Sorry for the weird 7 up here, but so if we divide both sides by 7, it's going to look something like this. And 7s cancel out. That's the whole point of this. And 7 here remains in the denominator, right? And we are going to do the same thing, but for H. So we're going to divide both sides by H. So, I mean, you can write that way. That, and of course this right here is going to be, since you take the reciprocal and multiply them together, it's going to be that. So L will equal to N over 7H, and that's the only answer you should be getting, or like the letters like swapped. So yeah, that works too, but then that's kind of a weird way to write it. But that's it.